it's Chantel with Weathervane Quilting, and today we are doing block 13 of the Barnstar Quiltalong, and that is the Weathervane star. So let's get started. All right, so we got our A pieces and our B pieces, and we are going to be sewing this to the top left corner. I think the book actually says bottom right corner, but that's the same thing as the top left. So that's how I'm going to do mine. Because I'm a lefty and I gotta do things different. Actually. So I find it easier to come at it from the side, the long side, as opposed to the pointed side. The pointed side can often end up sucked into your machine. And the long side helps keep it from doing that. And we are going to be making 4 of these if we do it for 1 block, or 12 if we are doing it for the 3 blocks.
Stitched a weathervane this morning, threads of gold and fabric worn thin. Hung it on the barn door yonder, tells me where the wind's been wandering, and spinning round in circles dance.
All right, now we have our B blocks and our C blocks, and we are going to stitch them together like this. They'll open up like that. So that'll be a diagonal line going down like this.
Tells me where the wind's been wandering, and spinning round in circles dancing on the breeze. Needlework and thread keeping me at ease. Every gust it catches, every breeze it shows. My song weathervane, telling which way the wind blows. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Stitched a weathervane this morning.
All right, now we have our D pieces and these little units that we made, and we are going to attach them just like this.
Stitched a weathervane this morning, threads of gold and fabric worn thin. Hung it on the barn door yonder, tells me where the wind's been wandering, and spinning round in circles dancing on the breeze. Needlework and thread keeping.
So now our units look like this, and we are going to stitch them together like this.
Grandma in a rocker, patterns in her hand, teaching me the secrets of piecing up this land. Sewing bits and stories from days gone by, with needles and thread we stitch the sky. Cotton scraps on the table, a rainbow in disguise, a patchwork of memories unfold before our eyes. Squares and triangles so perfectly aligned, each stitch I make brings me peace of mind.
So now we have our F and our E pieces, and we are going to snowball the top corner.
Each stitch I make brings me peace of mind. We're making a weathervane star today. Colors blended in a countrified ballet. Each fabric piece, a journey near and far. Together we create a weathervane star. Sunlight through the window, warming up the floor. Grandma hums a tune, echoes of folklore. Her hands are warm.
All right, so now we have the top corners done on these, and we want to take the rest of our E pieces and snowball the other top corner.
Steady guiding my first scene. In the weathervane star, we're chasing dreams. Evening shadows gather, quilt blocks coming tight. As moonlight starts to peek, we sew into the night. Stitch by stitch, the star comes alive in a simple quilt block.
So now our units look like this, and we are going to take our B pieces and attach them to the tops like this.
We're making a weathervane star today. Colors blended in a countrified ballet. Each fabric piece, a journey near and far. Together we create a weathervane star. We're making a weathervane star today. Colors blended in a countrified ballet. Each fabric piece, a journey near and far. Together we create.
All right, so now we are going to take our G pieces and attach them to the side of these units like this. And we are going to do this with 3 of them if we are doing the 3 blocks. If you're just doing 1 block, you only need to do it with 1 of them.
Weathervane star. Together we create a weathervane star.
All right, now we are going to take 6 of these, and we are going to be attaching them like this.
In the meadow, thread and needle, sewing stars, skylight steeple, hands at work, fabric sweet, stitching dreams where clouds meet.
Quarter square, piece by piece.
Now we're going to be joining these like this.
Colors bloom, worries cease, petals sprout from morning dew, starry flower coming through, weathervaning guiding true, quilt the night, stitching you, flowers dance in the wind, starry sky, let's begin.
Now we are joining these together like this.
Blue and gold, threads entwined, daylight fades, pattern shine.
Starlight quilt, warm embrace, flower blooms, heavenly grace.
Hands of love.
So now we have our strips, and we are going to be sewing them together like this.
Piece by piece,
Colors bloom,
worry cease.
petals sprout from morning dew, starry flower coming through, weather watching you. Flowers dance in the wind. Starry sky, let's begin.
All right, guys, these are our finished Weathervane stars, and they are so beautiful. Now, they do not look anything like Weathervanes to me. I see flowers, but I certainly am not complaining because I love flowers. So, but y'all know that. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget, we are doing one of these blocks a month, so we still have a ways to go. You could catch up if you hurry, or you could just follow these videos at your own pace. They're going to stay up, so you don't have to worry about that. And by the end, we're going to have a beautiful quilt. If you are looking for the book, I do have a link to Fat Quarter Shop down below. And I think I also have a link over to Amazon, and you can get it from either place. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.